एक रानी को पाने के लिए 18 दीवानों का हत्या होता है।
मूर्ख हैं दीवाने। शाहरुख का पिक्चर देख देख के चॉकलेटी हो गए हैं सब। रानी को तो सिर्फ राजकुमार लेके जाते हैं।
Hello and welcome to the short review of Chaman Bahar. But before that, subscribe to this channel to motivate me. It only needs your one hit on the subscribe button. For a few days, we are all witnessing a rage against nepotism in Bollywood and various other industries. This is not an unfamiliar term for us, as we all are hearing this for very long. Where it is wrong to undermine the raw talent which is being done for a long time in Bollywood, it is also our job to watch quality content and support that. But today, we are and always support the big names. So where it is an injustice for the industry, it is also our duty to tell the industry what do we like to watch. For some who want to redeem yourself and do not know where to start, please watch Chaman Bahar. It is available on Netflix. The runtime is about 2 hours and it's a brilliant movie compared to many so-called blockbusters. The story started with a panwala named Billu wanted to create his name than being a forest guard. He found a place to construct his shop in front of a deserted house. His business was running the same as the house, but the picture changed when a family came to stay there. All the boys and men of that area started to follow the young girl Rinku living in that house. In no time, Billu's shop Chaman Bahar became the center point of the youths. The business size was rising according to the footfall naturally, and for the first time, Billu fell in love with Rinku without even communicating. Jealousy and possessiveness are two pieces always coming with love, and it was not an exception in Billu's matter. He was on the verge of eliminating his competitions even at the cost of his business. Like in every love story, there is a villain, and in Billu's love story, the villain came as a ruthless police officer. Billu saved his hidden love for Rinku but could not save his shop while having a clash with the villain of his love story. When he came out of jail, he found that he turned out to be a reason for the upcoming election. Whether his journey of love ended there or took a different angle. To know the answer, into watch Chaman Bahar on Netflix. The background score and music are special in this narrative. In many scenarios, the different background scores used as expressions. Sometimes even the music is taken to use as a background score. Mostly folk tunes are used and it worked great with that setup. In this high time of rising nepotism, we witnessed what a bunch of actors can do and capable of with the right kind of script. It will be an absolute injustice towards them if we are not mentioning that. Each one of them did an incredible job. But Jitendra Kumar carried the flag being in front. The kind of various emotions he displayed can make many actors jealous of his capabilities. He portrayed the role of Billu with the utmost perfection. He lived the character inside out, and you can see that on screen. The way he is looking and feeling on top of the world when he felt love for the first time. You will live all those moments with Billu. Jitendra Kumar is a raw talent and so of his co-stars. Apurvadhar Vaidya, the director of this narrative, crafted every frame with loads of love. The control of this story was totally in his hand. He weaved a funny story with a punch of sad realization and how life goes on despite all the occurrence. Not even a single moment feels outstretched, though the movie could be little shorter with smart editing. Some scenes are repetitive, but good actings by all the actors overshadowed those shortcomings. 5 things I like in this movie are: the acting. All the actors excelled themselves and gave us a fun watch time. Jitendra Kumar. He is in 7th heaven after Panchayat and Chaman Bahar. His skills in understanding emotions and portrayed those on screens are envious. The direction. The director was able to grab our attention in this simple narrative. It never gets out of his control. The story. It's not a very complex one and a simple story of love, jealousy and realization. The background score. The various nature of emotions crafted through the background scores and the music. My rating is 3 stars. Please watch it if you want to support the quality content. Hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Let me know your views and some amazing movies like this one. Feel free to use the comment section. Thank you.